Hi there. In this video, we'll continue to look at how to solve quadratic equations. Problem 65 has us solving the equation x minus 5 times 3x minus 2 equals 0. Now, if you have some experience with solving equations of this type, you begin to develop sort of a sense of smell. And so, just by looking at this equation, I can tell 5 is a solution. And to prove that that's true, I'm going to replace each instance of x with the number 5, and I'll demonstrate that the product is indeed 0. 5 take away 5 gives 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. And when you multiply 0 by 13, you do indeed get 0, which proves that 5 is in fact a solution. So that's one answer right away without doing a whole lot of work. Now, the value of x either is 5 or it isn't. X is either 5 or it's not 5. We've already proved that if x is 5, we get a solution to the equation. Let's find out what happens when x isn't 5. Okay, so on the right hand side here, I've just recopied the equation. And if x isn't 5, then we're perfectly allowed to divide both sides of the equation by x minus 5. Knowing that we're not dividing by 0, we can feel safe and comfortable in doing that. On the left side of the equation, we get x minus 5 divided by itself, which is 1. We can cancel those out. On the right side of the equation, we get 0 divided by something, which always equals to 0. So we are left after cancellation with the equation 3x minus 2 equals 0, which is an awful lot easier to solve. We're almost done. Just add 2 to both sides. 0 plus 2 gives 2. Divide both sides by 3. 2 divided by 3 gives 2/3. And if we replace each instance of x with the number 2/3, we get the following. 3 times 2/3 is 2. And we get 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2/3 minus 5. And we're hoping the answer is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2/3 minus 5 is something. And we know that 0 times that something is indeed 0. So 2/3 is a solution, 5 is the solution, and the solution set to the original equation consists of the number 5 and the number 2/3. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.